Hello everyone, my name is Oleksandr Ronsevych. I'm an agronomist at Btu-Center company. Today we are located at the Vinnytsia region where we organize the field days for our agronomists who will come to see the application of biological products on different crops like corn, sunflower, wheat, and with different rates of applications and effects. Here we can see this is a trial plot, what we will show to our agronomists.
Now we see the plant root system from the control side. The root system is alive, and also we see the plant is uptaking nutrients and moisture, but in general the root system is not much developed.
Which was treated where fertilizers, basic fertilizers were used, like ammonium nitrate, and it's kind of a basic application of fertilizer for all trial plots, just to make them equal. For a basic treatment of by fertilizers. So then we will see the action of our products on the next site. But at the moment you can just simply see the control site and the development of vegetative mass, above ground mass, and the phase of corn at the moment of checking this plot. On the next trial plot we will see the what kind of products were used with the application rates, as well as I will comment just to see the effect of these products. Our leading agronomist just digs the plant to see the effect.
We see the quite good developed root system, and also we see that some part of the soil is attached to the roots. It means the root system is much more stronger in case of uptaking nutrients.
So here we see on this little table, we see that the product Groundfix is a potassium and phosphorus mobilizator. Were used with a rate 4 liters per hectare. This product is quite unique because it contains Bacillus megatherium bacteria, Polymyxa, Paenibacillus polymyxa, as well as Bacillus subtilis and other microorganisms, which allow to mobilize these nutrients for plants. The first product Groundfix were used in pre-sowing cultivation, and the product Mycofriend were used for seed treatment. And if you just take a look at the rates of application of both products, so the rate of Groundfix is 4 liters per hectare, because we want to mobilize as much potassium and phosphorus as we can. And why the rate is maybe seems a bit high, because we know that the soil is a bit have a shortage of these nutrients. So we wanted to provide as much mineral compounds for plants to uptake, and to be greenish, to be high, and to have a great yield at the end. And for Mycofriend, the 7 kilogram per ton of seeds maybe also seems to be the high rate, but if we just imagine how much seeds we spent to sow per 1 hectare, so it's 1 ton of seeds, it's about 50 hectares of for corn. So if we just simply calculate the rate of application per hectare, so it will be a really small amount, like above 100 of milliliters per 1 ton. So it's economically effective to use our products because of its efficiency and active fungi which creates this mycorrhizal symbiosis. And also you see the plants, the color, the vegetation mass, how good developed plants at this plot, and also our leading agronomist will comment the root system of this plant and vegetation mass a bit later.
That the root system is much more developed, and we see lots of rootlets on the secondary root system, and this means that the process of mycorrhization is ongoing and the product works well.
The last trial plot for corn, we can see there was applied a product Mycofriend with a rate 7 kilogram per ton of seeds for seed treatment.
We see that the root system is visually developed well, and we see the amount of rootlets on the secondary root system. And again, we see the mycorrhiza process, the process of mycorrhiza formation on the root system is going further.
Just wanted to simply explain how important mycorrhiza nowadays, as because now we have at least maybe above 25 degrees, maybe in the middle of the day it will be 30, maybe more. So the mycorrhiza will help corn to uptake more moisture, not only nutrients but also moisture from the soil. As you can just simply look at the soil, you see this the cracking of some parts of the soil which tell us that there is not enough moisture right now, and probably the plants will feel some kind of stress. And the mycorrhiza, which cover the root system, will allow to uptake nutrients, maybe multiply this zone of uptaking zone of roots by thousands times. So it helps us to manage this stress, manage the shortage of moisture and nutrients. So the plants will be much more greenish, much more stronger, and as a result we will have a good yield at the end. So we continue our trial check, and now we are on a trial plot of corn where we tested our product Liposam together with herbicides. The Liposam is a product which is based on polysaccharides, and this is mainly used product in case of drought, frosts, or which can help to maintain these stresses, as well as we can apply this product with any active agent to stick it on the surface of the leaves, and it allows us to prolong the action of this substance, for example, for insecticides, fungicides, herbicides as well. And now you can see the control site where just herbicide with a rate 2 liters per hectare were applied, and we see the appearance of weeds in a row between corn plants. So This means that the herbicide probably just flushed into the soil, not to just manage all the weed on the top soil surface. And now we can just check how our product, for example, on this line, is this, we start our trial plot and we see the clear line, almost no weed on the surface. It means the product stick the herbicide on the surface and help to just suppress the development of these kind of plants. And the rate of application for Liposam was 0.8 liter per hectare. So it's almost 1 liter. This is more than enough to apply it together with the herbicides and to see the action of this product on our trial field.